What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It is based on the GPT 3.5 architecture, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3.5. GPT 3.5 is one of the most advanced versions of the GPT series, which has been trained on a massive amount of text data from the internet. ChatGPT is designed to generate human-like responses to text inputs, making it capable of engaging in conversations and providing information or assistance on a wide range of topics. It can understand and generate text in natural language, allowing it to answer questions, provide explanations, offer suggestions, and hold interactive discussions. To train ChatGPT, large-scale datasets are used, and the model learns to predict the most likely next word in a sentence based on the context it has seen. This training process enables ChatGPT to generate coherent and contextually appropriate responses. It's important to note that as an AI language model, ChatGPT does not possess real-time awareness or personal experiences beyond what it has learned from text data. Its responses are based solely on patterns and information it has been trained on, and it does not have access to the internet or the ability to retrieve real-time information. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It is based on the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, architecture, specifically the GPT 3.5 model. GPT 3.5 is one of the largest language models ever created, with 175 billion parameters. ChatGPT is designed to generate human-like responses in natural language conversations. It has been trained on a vast amount of text data from the internet, allowing it to understand and generate coherent responses across a wide range of topics. It can provide information, engage in discussions, offer suggestions, and assist with various tasks. The model has the ability to understand context, analyze questions or prompts, and generate relevant and meaningful responses. It has been trained on a diverse range of text sources to ensure it has knowledge on numerous subjects, although its responses are generated based on patterns in the training data rather than real-time information. ChatGPT has various applications, including customer support, content generation, language translation, and assisting users in finding information or solving problems. However, it is important to note that while ChatGPT is powerful and can provide useful responses, it is still an AI model and may occasionally produce incorrect or nonsensical answers. Thank you all of you. Subscribe the channel for more updates.